As you know, when you're doing anything under a cistern or a WC pan, you're normally down on your knees. Now, I would suggest, you see me using it there, is a McAlpine knee protection pad. The knee protection pad is a complete protection system and well worth the in the van necessity. Be careful all the time you're doing this, because eventually it catches up with you. In 57 years as a contracts plumbing manager and a consultant, I ended up with a broken back and broken legs, collarbone, because I wouldn't listen. It can never happen to you. Believe me, it can happen to you. So this is an item which is available, and I would say an in the van necessity. It can be used for your knees, it can be used for leaning, it can be used for your hip. Available in a pad, available with knee slip-in pocket ones, and also over pads. Believe me out there, this is money well spent and cheap at the price.